Myself, Dr. Ashish Chandak, and you are watching channel Quick Engineering. So in this video, we will see what is static testing, what is dynamic testing, and what is the difference between static testing and dynamic testing. So remember one thing: static testing is always done before execution of the code, while dynamic testing is done after execution of the code. So first point is without execution of the code. Means in static testing, the syntax and semantics is changed. Whether the program is properly written or not, it is checked in static testing, while dynamic testing is done after execution of the program. So in dynamic testing you will find the bugs. Suppose if you are dividing the number of zero, divide the number by 0, that cannot be caught in static testing, but it will be caught in dynamic testing. So that's why it is by execution, after execution of the program. So it is verification process, means whether the program is correctly written or not. So that is verification process, and dynamic testing is validation process. So whether the logic is correctly written or not, it is checked in dynamic testing. So it evaluates the code. In static testing, the code is evaluated whether it is written in properly syntax or not. Whether it, if you are writing in C language, then whether the program is written in proper C language or not, whether all the syntax is followed or not, semantics is followed or not. But in dynamic testing, bugs are find out. Suppose if you are dividing the number of by 0, or if you are trying to open the file which is not in existence, so that type of bugs are caught in dynamic testing. So cost of finding the defect is very less, since the defect is find out at the early stage of the program. So in static testing, the cost of finding the defect is very less. Then and there itself, before execution of the program, the defect has been find out. But in dynamic testing, the cost of finding the defect is high, because program is executed and it is the logical error. Dynamic testing is finding out the logical error, and you have to check the logic of the program. That's why cost of finding the defect is high. Last point है, return on investment will be high. Means if you try to, if you deploy the resources, then the return on investment is high, because defect is find out then and there itself before execution of the program. But return on investment is low in dynamic testing. The reason is sometimes if the logic is wrong, then you have to again write down the program from the scratch. So that's why return on investment is low in dynamic testing. So these are the difference between static testing and dynamic testing. I do hope you understand this topic. So if you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.